Okay, so now we are here at the illustration of polynomial expression. So pag sinabi po nating polynomial expressions, polynomial expressions or P of X is an expression of the form a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 and so on hanggang a sub 1 hanggang constant term. Ito pong a sub 0, yan yung constant term. Where a sub n or the leading coefficient is not equal to 0. Kasi pag nag-equal to 0 po yan, mawawala na yan ng value. And then where the non-negative integer n is called the degree or itong n. Ang tawag po natin dyan is the degree of the polynomial. And coefficients is a sub 0 hanggang a sub 1. Ang tawag are the real numbers. Ibig sabihin, they are constant. Okay po. So, the terms of a polynomial may be written any order. So, may mga may encounter kayo na polynomial expression na hindi siya, na magulo. Na yung highest degree na napupunta dito, yung constant na pupunta dito sa side na to. So, may ma-encounter kayo na ganon. But, however, we often follow the convention of writing the terms in decreasing power. Pag sinabi po nating decreasing power, from highest degree pababa hanggang constant term. So, kung mapansin nyo dito, n, naging n minus 1, naging n minus 2. Kasi nga po, yung degree ng polynomial expressions pababa hanggang constant. Okay po. Masasabi po natin na naka-standard form na ang isang polynomial expressions if they are written in decreasing power. Decreasing power, pababa na yung degree niya. From highest degree, pababa na siya. N minus 1, N minus 2 hanggang A sub 0 or the constant term. Next. Okay, so meron po tayong tinatawag na monomial, binomial, trinomial, at multinomial. So, pag sinabi pong monomial, one term lang. So, for example, I have here 3x. Monomial lang yan, one term. Magiging dalawang term lang yan kapag meron na siyang operation sa gitna. It's either addition or subtraction. Or magiging two terms or kapag 3 plus x. Okay po. Kapag binomial naman, two terms. So, for example, you have your x plus 2. Two terms na siya kasi meron na siyang operation sa gitna na addition. And then kapag trinomial, that is 3 terms. Kapag 3 terms, tatlo na syempre. So kung papansin nyo, 1, 2, 3. They are 3 terms. Kapag trinomial, halata naman no? So, kapag multinomial naman, more than 3 terms. So, for example, here, x raised to 4 plus x cubed plus x squared plus x. Apat yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, hindi lang kahit apat yan, kahit marami pa yan, kahit 5 terms pa yan, kahit ilan. Kaya nga more than 3 terms. Kaya nga multinomial. So, again, kapag monomial, one term lang. For example, here, 3x. One term lang siya kasi nga hindi naman siya wala siyang operation sa gitna. Kahit A, B, C, D hanggang Z pa yan, basta't wala operation, monomial lang yan. Pag binomial, 2 terms. For example, here, x plus 2, may operation na siya sa gitna. Kapag trinomial, 3 terms. I have here x squared plus 4x plus 3, tatlo yan. 1, 2, 3. Pag multinomial naman, more than 3 terms. So, for example, x raised to 4, x plus x cubed plus x squared plus x. Kahit hindi lang apat yan, kahit sobrang rami pa yan. Yun ang multinomial. Okay po. And that is the illustration of the polynomial expression. Next naman, ang topic natin is the long division of polynomial. Thank you for watching.